Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Nissan Titan key fob. Start by removing the mechanical key, then open the fob seam with a small, flat screwdriver. Gently pry the two halves apart without forcing them. Lift out the old CR2032 battery, note its orientation, and replace with a fresh CR2032. Snap the halves back together, reinsert the mechanical key, and test the buttons to confirm proper function. Next, I will explain the step-by-step swap, so you can do it confidently. After taking out the mechanical key, locate the seam and insert a small flat screwdriver. Twist gently to separate the halves, then note the battery orientation before removing the old CR2032. Slide in the new battery the same way, press the two halves together until they click, and test the fob buttons to ensure proper operation and range. If you are enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people plan finances, and it's an easy read between projects. It pairs nicely with saving money on DIY car fixes like this one. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick it up, you might enjoy the perspective. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will help you troubleshoot common problems after a battery change. If the fob does not respond, clean the contact surfaces with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol and let them dry. Verify the new CR2032 is fresh and has proper voltage. Check that the battery sits flat and the casing snaps fully closed. If needed, reseat the mechanical key and retest the remote from a short distance to confirm function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.